Good morning, dear hearts. We are at lesson 253. Myself, capital S self, is ruler of the universe. All right. It obviously is reminiscent of lesson 236, which is I rule my mind, which I alone must rule. And it says that I have a kingdom, my universe. Both of these things are really the same. Universe perhaps seems that it would be larger, but both of these ideas, these concepts, are ruled by my thoughts. That's the only thing. My mind rules whatever I see. My thoughts will create or make my experience in whether I call it my kingdom or I call it the universe. It's all going to emanate from what is within my mind, and whether it is within my ego mind or my holy mind, this will be my experience, okay? So because I am the one in control, okay, I rule my thoughts rather than allowing my thoughts to rule me. That is why I am ruler of the universe, or ruler of my kingdom. All right. This lesson is very reminiscent of, besides lesson 236, there is a prayer in chapter 21, which is, I think, often say it's perhaps responsible for a lot of people throwing this beautiful blue book across the room. Because this lesson, this prayer tells us that I'm responsible. Responsible. I choose my feelings. I experience the feelings that I am going to experience. I decide on those, and I decide upon the goal I would achieve. And everything that seems to happen to me, I ask for and receive exactly as I have asked it. Okay, so with me being in control, having the ability to be in control of my thoughts, this shifts the whole game. This is a game, and I have shifted the game when I have now taken responsibility for my thoughts. Remember, the Course tells us there are no idle thoughts. I don't have any neutral thoughts. Everything that comes within my mind is going to make or create on some level. Myself is ruler of the universe. Now, myself, my true self, my, as I say it, big S self, okay? Now, I didn't say what you thought I said. Big S self, okay, will lead me, has the ability to lead me past all of the small thoughts that and the things that I have made coming from my small self mind. So when I allow my awareness to go to my true self, my big S self, all right, the truth of who I am, the truth of who we all are, all right, and that instead of residing in the egoic mind, I choose to abide. I love that word, and it's in this lesson. I choose to abide within my holy mind. And as I do that, myself, my big S self, my true self, will indeed be the ruler of the universe, because now that self will reconnect with the source of who we all are, the creator. We are now in a space of co-creating with our Father, and we are in the awareness and the truth of our true self. Okay? That's it for today. And I know it might be a little bit late. I had the pleasure of babysitting my 2-year-old grandson. And please like, please share, please subscribe. Please be here tomorrow. Namaste.